Hello students, welcome back to Anita EduEat. Today we are going to solve three very important questions based on quadratic equations. These questions are frequently asked in board exams and I will explain each solution step by step in a simple and clear way. So let's begin. Question number 1. The product of the two consecutive positive integer is 132. Find the Let the first positive integer be n because the integers are consecutive. Second integer will be n plus 1. Accordingly, their product is given as 132. So we write n plus 1 is equal to 132. Open the bracket. N into n becomes n square. N into 1 becomes n is equal to 132. Bring all terms in one side so that n square plus n minus 132 is equal to 0. Now we will apply the quadratic formula. Therefore, n is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 132. Substitute so that minus 1 plus minus under root 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 132 upon 2a equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 whole square becomes 1 minus into minus becomes plus 132 into 4 becomes 528 upon 2. Again equal sign, minus 1 plus minus 528 plus 1 becomes 529 upon 2. 529. This is a perfect square number of whom? 23. So that minus 1 plus minus 23 upon 2. So we get two values. n1 is equal to minus 1 plus 23 upon 2 and 2 is equal to minus 1 minus 23 upon 2. Now solve these two roots so that n1 is equal to 23 minus 1 becomes 22 upon 2. 22 is divisible by 2. How many times? 11 times. Therefore n1 is equal to 11. Again n2 minus 23 minus 1 becomes minus 24. Again 24 is divisible by 2. How many times? 12 times. So that n2 is equal to minus. But we only need positive integers. So first integer is equal to 11 and the second integer becomes 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. Question number 2. Find the sum of the reciprocal of the roots of 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. For any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, sum of the roots is equal to minus b upon a. Product of roots is equal to c upon a. The given equation 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 3. Find sum and product. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus 5 upon 2 and alpha into beta is equal to 3 upon 2. We have to find sum of the reciprocal of the roots 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. We know a formula 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is equal to alpha plus beta upon alpha into beta. Now substitute values minus 5 upon 2 upon 3 upon 2. Divide these numbers. 2 cancel out equal to minus 5 upon 3. So the sum of the reciprocal of the root is minus 5 upon 3. Question number 3. The area of rectangle is 60 meter square. The length is 4 meter more than the breadth. Find the dimension. Let the breadth is equal to b and length will be b plus 4. We know area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now substitute the value so that b plus 4 into b is equal to 60. Open the bracket. This implies b into b becomes b square. b into 4 becomes 4b is equal to 60. Bring all terms to one side. This implies b square plus 4b minus 60 is equal to 0. Now factorize. I'll use splitting by middle term method. Try to split 4b into plus 10b minus 6b. Now group the terms. In first group, b is the greatest common factor. In the second group, 6 is the greatest common factor. Take common b plus 10 so that b minus 6, b plus 10 is equal to 0. Now apply zero product property. So we get two solution, b is equal to 6 or b is equal to minus 10. Negative breadth is not possible. So we take breadth is equal to 6. Therefore length is equal to 6 plus 4 becomes 10 meter. So the dimension of the rectangle are breadth is equal to 6 meter and length is equal to 10 meter. This was an important practice set from quadratic equation. If you found the explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Anita EduEat. Thank you for watching.